Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY video. Today we have a 2015 Toyota Camry XSE and we will be upgrading the halogen high beam and low beam lights to LEDs. For the new LED bulbs, I'm using Halogen brand from Amazon. It comes with two low beam and two high beam LED bulbs, Allen keys, double-sided tape for securing the driver, as well as some zip ties, some extra washers, and a instructions manual. So to remove the bulbs for the right side, we need to take off the battery just so we can get some more clearance here to work. I'm using a 10 millimeter socket to open the negative terminal first, then the positive, and then we'll take this bracket off to take off the battery. So I've taken the battery out now, and just to do some more cleaning around this area, I'm going to be taking off this plastic trim piece here. So all you need to do is push on these connectors and they'll come out. Okay, so there were about 8 of those connectors, and now we can just lift this piece off. This is our high beam bulb housing, and then this is our low beam bulb housing. Now to take this off, all we need to do is twist it anti-clockwise, and then the bulb should come out. There you go. And then same thing with this one. Okay, now to take the bulbs off of the connectors, all we need to do is push this tab right here, and the bulb should come out like this. Same thing with the high beam bulbs. You push the tab and the connector should come off like this. Okay, just wanted to mention this difference between the connectors for the low beam and high beam bulb. So the low beam, they have these tabs on the sides here, while the high beam, they don't have any tabs, they're just flat. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install the low beam bulbs. All we need to do is just align these tabs onto the electrical connector and push it in until it clicks, and then the LED bulb itself, just put it inside, align those tabs, and turn it clockwise until it's nice and snug. Okay, so with our bulb installed, all we need to do is secure this driver in a cool place. So I have this hose coming out of the fuse box. I'm going to put the double-sided tape on that. Put the driver on it, and then secure it with a zip tie. Okay, now we'll go ahead and install the high beam light. Same thing, connect the connector first, then put the light, and turn clockwise until it's nice and snug. Okay, I'm going to be securing this driver for the high beam light on this wire here. So same thing, to put some double-sided tape put it on the wire and then zip tie it. Okay, now to put the battery back in, first we need to install the bottom plate. Just align these two tabs into those holes. Okay. Okay, now with the battery in place, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bracket back in that holds the battery. Put the 10mm screw. Okay, now we'll go ahead and install the terminals. Positive first. Okay, we're done with our install, and what a difference. So on this side I haven't installed high beams yet, just to show you guys the difference. So for some reason, if it doesn't work for you guys turn on the lights and the LEDs don't turn on, it means you got the polarity wrong. So just disconnect the connectors, switch the polarity, turn it around, then connect it back in, and it should work.